Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn English language, chapter 4, nouns, number. Now, as we know, in numbers in English, there are singular and plural. Let me give you the definition of singular. The noun is said to be singular when the noun stands for only one person or thing. For examples, man, child, boy, etc. Now, what is plural number? A noun is said to be plural if it stands for more than one person or a thing. For examples, girls, dolls, children, etc. So now we know the definitions of singular and plural. Now we will learn how to form the plurals. Now at the end of the word, if we add s, it changes into plural. For example, door, doors. So one door, now doors are plural. Stone, stones. Tree, trees, etc. Now when we add es to the nouns ending in a hissing sound, that is ss, ish, ch and x. For example, match. We will have to add es at the end of the word, that is matches. Now fox, foxes. Add es at the end of the word, dish, dishes, etc. Now we can add es to the nouns ending with o. For example, hero. So you will have to add es, that is heroes. heroes, heroes. Hero is singular, heroes are plural. Potato. Now potatoes. You will have to add es at the end of the word. Mosquito, mosquitoes. So one mosquito and many mosquitoes. Now while forming plurals, always remember the following things. Now some few words which are spoken as ch is spoken as k. For example, monarch. So spelling is monarch, but it is spoken as k. For monarch, you will have to add s at the end of the word. It becomes monarchs. Stomach, stomachs. So these are the plural forms when you add s to the end of the word. Now next, noun that ends in y preceded by a consonant. For example, pony, pony, pony. Now the word is ending by y. So you will have to add es. So y becomes I. For example, pony, ponies. Story, stories. story, story. You will have to change y into I and add es. It becomes stories. Stories are plural. Story is singular. Now next, when the noun ends in y preceded by a vowel. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So here, for example, way. Y is preceded by a vowel A. So you will have to add S at the end of the end of the word. It becomes ways. Key, keys, etc. Now, however, there are some nouns that end with F and FF. We will have to form their plurals. For example, CLIFF, cliff. You will have to just add S at the end of the word. It becomes cliffs. Gulf, gulfs. So now next, there are some nouns that form their plural by changing inside the vowels. For example, foot, feet, mouse, mice, tooth, teeth. Now let me tell you, there are certain nouns, singular and plural, which are same. You can't change it by adding s. It will be same. For example, sheep, sheep, water, water, fruit, fruit. Do not add s. They are the nouns. The singular and plural are the same. Now next, there are certain nouns that appear singular in nature but are used as plurals. Examples, date, cattle, they are singular but they are used as plurals. Example, I'm once again telling you, date, cattle, people, poultry, etc. Now next, for the nouns that ends in ful, you will have to add again s to make a plural form. For example, armful, you will have to write armfuls, add s at the end. Plateful, platefuls. So these are the examples for changing singular to plural. Now we have learned the formation of plurals.